Hey everyone! Today I'm reviewing 5 best ceiling Atmos speakers. Built to deliver immersive overhead sound for home theaters, media rooms, and multi-zone audio setups. These speakers combine powerful output, wide dispersion, and discrete design, perfect for Dolby Atmos configurations that demand precision and clarity. Whether you're upgrading a surround system or building a custom entertainment space, each model blends high-performance sound with space-saving ceiling integration. With features like pivoting woofers, moisture-resistant builds, Bluetooth streaming, and paintable grills, this lineup brings cinematic sound from above without cluttering your room. If you're looking for rich, directional audio that enhances every scene, these ceiling speakers are engineered to elevate your experience. Number 1. Klipsch CDD5650C2 Ceiling Speaker. Klipsch's CDD5650C2 is a premium ceiling speaker designed for Dolby Atmos overhead channels. It features a 1-inch titanium tweeter and a 6.5 pivoting cerametallic woofer, delivering crisp highs and deep mids with directional precision. Horn-loaded technology and controlled dispersion technology, CDT, ensure immersive sound placement, while treble and mid-bass attenuation switches allow room-specific tuning. With 200W maximum output and a discrete ceiling mount design, it's ideal for high-performance home theaters. Whether you're watching action-packed films or streaming music, this speaker adds clarity and depth from above. Built for audiophiles and home cinema enthusiasts, it blends powerful acoustics with sleek integration, making it a top choice for Atmos ceiling installations. Number 2. Polk Audio RC80i Ceiling Speaker. Polk's RC80i ceiling speaker delivers rich, room-filling sound with a compact footprint, perfect for Atmos setups in kitchens, bathrooms, or living rooms. It features a dynamic balance polypropylene woofer and a swiveling 0.75-inch silk dome tweeter, creating immersive audio aimed directly at your listening zone. Moisture-resistant materials ensure durability in humid environments, while the paintable grill blends seamlessly into any ceiling. With 50W output and Bluetooth connectivity, it's easy to stream music or integrate into a surround system. Installation is simple thanks to Polk's patented mounting system. Whether you're building a full home theater or adding overhead sound to a multi-room setup, this speaker offers reliable performance and clean aesthetics backed by Polk's trusted legacy in audio innovation. Number 3. Acoustic Audio CS IC83 by Goldwood. Goldwood CS IC83 ceiling speakers are built for serious Atmos performance, featuring 8-inch woofers, poly mica midranges, and 13mm soft dome tweeters in a 3-way design. With 2350W power handling and 95 dB efficiency, they deliver high-fidelity sound across large rooms. The passive crossover ensures balanced frequency response, while spring-loaded terminals simplify wiring. Paintable grills and frames allow seamless integration into any ceiling. This listing includes 2 pairs, 4 speakers, making it ideal for multi-zone audio or full surround installations. Designed and engineered in the USA, these speakers are perfect for home theaters, center channels, or outdoor entertainment areas. Whether you're watching movies or hosting parties, the CS IC83 delivers powerful, immersive sound with clean, professional-grade installation. Number 4. Herdio Bluetooth Ceiling Speaker System. Hertio's Bluetooth ceiling speaker system includes 4 6.5-inch speakers and a 4-channel wall amplifier, offering wireless streaming and versatile control. Compatible with smart devices via Bluetooth, AUX, USB, and mic input, it's perfect for custom audio zones in kitchens, offices, or media rooms. The 1-inch silk dome tweeters deliver detailed sound, while the wide dispersion design ensures even coverage. Flush mount installation keeps your space clean and modern. The wall-mounted amplifier doubles as a control hub and charging station, adding convenience to your setup. With 150W output and moisture-resistant construction, this system is built for durability and performance. Whether you're creating a multi-room audio experience or enhancing your home theater, Herdio offers smart, stylish sound from above. Number 5. Monoprice 8-inch carbon fiber ceiling speaker. Monoprice ceiling speaker features an 8-inch carbon fiber woofer and one silk dome tweeter, engineered for deep bass and high sensitivity. With 160W max power and a frequency response of 45 Hz, 20 kHz, it delivers clear, distortion-free sound ideal for Atmos overhead channels. The carbon fiber cone responds efficiently to power, producing more volume with less energy. A built-in high-frequency attenuator ensures balanced audio across large spaces. The paintable magnetic grille blends into any ceiling, while the easy install tabs and cutout templates simplify setup. Designed for audiophiles who value performance and aesthetics, this speaker reduces clutter while enhancing your soundstage. Whether you're upgrading a media room or building a full Atmos system, Monoprice delivers premium sound in a sleek, ceiling-mounted form. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.